ASAN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Asana stock is a buy now for me. So watch this short video till the end. I've spent well over 37,000 videos. Have been made. I've spent 5 figures on courses, mentors, and education, trading. And Asana stock for me, I have my own perception in how I'm looking at things. But this is such a bearish market still. I'm not even trying to be like talk crap about this, but it's bearish trend. And the only time where it's actually going to be bullish is if I start seeing some proper breaks above 29 bucks. I know it's a big discrepancy and a kind of a big range, but it is what it is. What else would I say here? So the likelihood the price will kind of keep going down is still quite high. You can clearly see 25% down is not a small deed. So maybe if there's like some potential short sale, I'll be here potentially short selling this, but I'm just still keeping an eye. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.